Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my final unboxing for several items. I have one box from The Good and the Beautiful. I have two from Simply Charlotte Mason. I have a Masterbooks and I have a Rainbow Resource. Let's see if I can get this done quickly before my little guy, who is over here on the other side of my bed, starts getting really fussy. So first things first. That's his toy that he just set off. My second daughter, my second oldest, asked for the next books in that series. Here are my electives books. No color in this. It's cheap. It was only like $17, but I think I would rather spend more money and have full color than that. Okay. Now we're on to Simply Charlotte Mason. Today is his birthday. He is 6 months old. Oh, I forgot. They close everything off in plastic too. So if you ever order from them, they put everything in a plastic shrink wrapped bundle. They always include artwork. Two of these. And yes, we're Catholic, so I'm assuming it's going to be a little bit more non-denominational friendly based on the previews. So we'll see. That might just end up in my library that doesn't get used if it's too doctrinally specifics. This is my second box. Something else that's Simply Charlotte Mason that won't be on this unboxing. I had a download from their new history. They had a bundle, an introductory price, where if you bought the PDF, you bought it during a certain 2-week window, you got all 5 books for $50-something. So I bought it at the same time as this stuff. Again, everything's shrink wrapped with cardboard backing. It keeps everything, like you can see, stuff doesn't really move. The artwork. This is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. For some reason I was thinking these would be much thicker than that actually is. And this is French. Cherrydale Press is French. I have the downloaded audio to go with that, so that's also not going to be a part of this. My library has several books, both for adult and juvenile or youth literature. And these used to come in like hardback. Oh, probably because I got the download version of the music. So these are the paperback, and then I have the music downloaded somewhere to my Simply Charlotte Mason account. I went with him because he has a lot of nature poems and seasonal. So there's some in here about pumpkins, Thanksgiving, those just sort of things make my heart happy. This is a large book. This is, so you can see, it's a really big book. I'll be happy to do a flip through if anybody wants that. Or even if anybody doesn't want that, I'll probably still do a flip through. And then I got 3 picture portfolios. They all come looking like this, but the back shows you who we are studying for the year. Okay, and that is for Simply Charlotte Mason. Make some room. Ooh, he almost saw me. That's dangerous. If he sees me, we're toast. He might have seen me. I might have to pick him up. This is all one set of books from Masterbooks, but they're like individuals. I'm gonna go get him. Hold on. Okay, let's see if this works now that he's going to be my sidekick. I bought The Wonders of Creation for my oldest. They had a sale. Is that funny? Really hard to do when it's one-handed. Do you feel better though? Really don't want my baby's face on the internet. Ugh. All right, dude, you're looking that way. Yes, I know. And he won't let me put him in a carrier today. He's just not feeling so good. Wonder if we've got teething going on. And then while I pause the video, I opened the last box just to make it easier being one-handed. And this is Rainbow Resources. And a very jumbled up receipt. All right, so most of this is just school supplies. Can you see that? They come in a little kit. It's basically, if you've seen fraction tiles that are rectangular in shape, these are just the 3-dimensional versions. You have a hole and it goes all the way to 12ths. They're interlocking. Wait, what? Fraction cubes. This was supposed to be something completely different. Looks like I got sent 2 of the same things. One of them was supposed to be fractions and one was supposed to be decimals. So I'll have to look into that. Okay. Little plastic square tiles, they're 1 inch. A collapsible yardstick. So I'm in my 40s, so if you were a child of the 80s, many teachers used to have chalkboards with these things, but they were wood and metal, and they would put chalk in these ends, and then they would write lines across the board for handwriting. That's what this is. So you can put whiteboard markers or pieces of chalk. So I got that for us. Protractor. Little bingo chips. I didn't order these, so maybe these were a free gift. Paper clips. Felt eraser. Dominoes. A What size is this? This is a 5x7 slate, genuine slate board for learning fraction to decimal conversion. Definitely didn't order this, so index cards. Huge thermometer. I know, little dude. And this is the 7x10 slate. And this is a little grid, a whiteboard grid. I figured it'd be a little bit easier, and I can't always find my whiteboard grid that I got from Simply Charlotte Mason years ago. Same thing, but it's for graphing. A whiteboard style multiplication fill-in chart. And then this is a collapsible whiteboard. It's magnetic too, so it folds out like a trifold, and it's portable with the handle. It was on clearance, so figure I'd see how it looked. And that is it for, wow, my last round of stuff. Now I can actually get things put together and make my individual grade levels for 5th, 7th, and our family studies. Hopefully, that's all I need this year. If you like this video and you don't mind my baby being upset because I think he's teething, please give me a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.